I'm Dennis O'Donnell, Vice President of Precision PCB Services, Inc. Our company provides products and services for product development companies and electronic contract manufacturers. So anything with the IC in it, we provide services for that. Today I'd like to talk to you about what I think is a truly amazing machine that's recently on the market, and this is the Shuttlestar SV550 BGA rework system. If you're working with networking boards, cell phones, game station boards, and you want to change out the chips, this is the machine to get. It's the Shuttlestar SV550, and this will rework anything from the smallest cell phone chip to the largest networking chip of a Cisco networking board. It's comparable to the machines in the industry that cost up to $80,000. This starts at about $15,000, and it will do anything that the big machines are doing, and I think that this should be an industry standard. We provide the training, the support, the sales, delivery, everything on the system. If you have any questions about it or would like a free demo, you can contact me. That's Dennis at PCB-repair.com. Again, Dennis at PCB-repair.com, or you can call me toll free, 888-406-2830, 888-406-2830, our toll free number. Thank you for watching.